म्हाका दिसता की आज पळय पेपरांचेर चर्चा जाता ते मिसींग गर्ल त्याचो आमी पॉलिटिकल इशू करचो न्हय पण त्याच बरोबर हे मिसींग गर्ल पळय आसा ताचेर तें पडून वतालें तें अशें करतालें तशें करतालें तो एक सायकॉलॉजी विक्टमांची ट्रोमटायज्ड विक्टम्स पळय आसा सेक्शुअली अब्यूज विक्टम्स पळय आसा ती तशीच बिहेव करतात इरॅटिक जाता तांचो बिहेवियर कारण तांचेर पळय तो परिणाम जाला जे नाका आशिल्ली गोश्ट तांचे कडेन जाल्या ताचे वेल्यान ती तशी रिएक्शन आसता आनी हें नवें कांय न्ही रिहॅबिलिटेशन सेंटरास म्हणूनच जावना ताचे पयलें बी अपना घरांत आसतना बी तसलें जालें आसता ताका कित्याक शी इज व्हेरी व्हेरी डिप्रेस्ड आनी शी इज व्हेरी व्हेरी अपसेट आनी हो पळय मॅनिफेस्टेशन ऑफ अ नीड तो इट इज अ मॅनिफेस्टेशन ऑफ अ नीड ताका लागून आमी सरकारा कडेन सदांच सांगतात की सेक्शुअल असॉल्ट केस जो पर्यंत कोर्टान पावना तो पर्यंत ते विक्टमाचो केअर घेवपाचो जबाबदारी सरकाराची आमी म्हणटात कितें शी इज 19 वी कांट डू एनीथींग ट्रू पण शी हॅज टू डिपोज इन द कोर्ट विदाउट फियर ऑफ फोर्स सो टू एन्श्योर दॅट government has to take care of her. Therefore, I have appealed to the Chief Minister of Goa, whom I know personally for his work also, that he should start an aftercare home for those children who complete 18. So that till they depose in the court, they avail of facilities of counseling, they are prepared for rehabilitation, once they are prepared to face society once they come out, because as you all know my friends, rape becomes a stigma, and you know in 2016 this particular act was much something which a girl should feel. Now about the case, the girl is in South Goa. She was attending a college also and doing very well, to tell you, very well, excellently well, and she was the classmates were very happy with her. But what happened is on the 27th, she went out in the morning, and these are depressive bouts she used to get. She went out in the morning and she came back in the evening on the bike of a man, of a young man, and she told her friends that they offered her a drink and a burger. She said she didn't eat the burger, but the drink bottle was empty. So we cannot say for sure whether somebody has lured her, somebody has abducted her, or somebody has kidnapped her. Now, this is the safety that she required. And this safety, this protection is not possible in a home which is open. You know, Apnangar is a closed place. Children cannot run away, or people cannot run away from there. And when we look at her today as an adult, her case is when she was a minor. Her case is of 216, when she was a minor. And this child has gone through a lot which she has disclosed to the police. Who knows whether they have sent her out of Goa. She may surface after that. 3rd June is the case in the court. She may surface sometime after that or before that. It came in the papers the day before it came in the newspaper about the candidate before she left the home. Before she left the home, it came in the papers. I don't know. They get the paper there, so I don't know whether she read the paper also.